guys. So paduli mi sa amo ang Try Island. So babaktas mi pa sa bangka. Doon na among tour guide guys. Nagsunod lang mo. We are Team White. Voila.
We are headed to Island. Island hopping. So, let's see kung nasa na mamaka.
Init ka ay guys.
Game. Pag bulitik.
Wait lang.
Hi guys, nalamig sa mga dito. We are on a world cruise. Kay ang mga kauban kay from different nations. Look, tanawa. Kana. Oh my goodness. To have enough English for today.
By the way, my name is Loy. I'm your exotic tour guide for today.
Wow.
And also, together with us are both captain si Kuya Pilmark. No Pilmar, Mama Pilmark. Okay? So, then the anchorman,
Happy na
si Kuya Oscar. Then the crew, si Kuya Salazar. Okay, so Kuya Oscar and Kuya Salazar. Okay, so this tour, we call it island hopping. The main destination, Daco, Niked, and Guya. And also, we have two side trip, Secret Island and snorkeling area. Okay, first, since low tide this morning, Secret Island. So, Secret Island, you can reach there during low tide only. So, our activity there is only swimming for 30 minutes. Okay, so next, we proceed to Guyam Island. So, Guyam Island is small island. If you want to play basketball, volleyball, and also the best burger and shake in Siargao, only Guyam Island po. Okay, remember that. So, buy one for you and buy one for me.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. So,
Long Beach, Inglewood, South Central.
Look how blue.
pero life jacket naman, marunong ka naman may ma'am.
Guys, we're at our first side trip. Secret Island daw because the island is nilalong under the water. So that's it. Guyam Island, guys. It's so nice here. Okay. So this is our first main stop. First island, Guyam Island. Here we go.
Guys, kana guys, lagot kayo guys kasi tanaw sa mga nakabikini nga mga babae guys. Kana siya guys, oh.
For sale, amahan.
Kana siya guys.
Sakit sa mata.
Lagot ko anan niya guys. Ina siya guys.
Siya ba na yan? Mata niya.
Ha?
51.
Awa guys, kaya't kayo na siya guys, ha? Kasi sige magtanaw.
Wala ko doon.
Mo ni siya guys. Ha?
Kaya na Pinoy pa ang music. And we are here, snorkeling area.
Welcome to our side trip, snorkeling area. So again, you can see the corals, the fish, and also the shark. Okay, so no worry about shark because vegetarian, no meat.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna stay here for 30 minutes. Okay, let's go.
Minute kayo guys. So we are now heading to another island. Shout out sa among tour guide, si Kuya Lolo. So padulong na pud mi sa another island guys. Murag dito ata. Dito na mi mag-take sa amo ang lunch. Guys, so naanimi sa Naked Island. So, magstay mo diri for 30 to 45 minutes. And after that, kaya mo balhin na po kami sa next island. Grabe ka pagod, guys. Pagod na ang aming mga skin lalo.
Nag-iingon niya atong among mga panit, guys. Seconds to play lang yun. Wala na dahil. Hiniram na color.
Grabe gid ka init, as in. Ang oras kay 11 a.m. Imagine nga init. So nara dito ang mga bangka, guys. Ang bangka ang disakyan. Nadate.
Hi guys, we are now here at Dako Island. It is called Dako. Dako man pala. So we are having here our Group 5 lunch. So the sand here is very, very fine. Very fine. But I also hoping we can capture Instagrammable sceneries. Dili ah. Kapoy na kayo pero go. Okay, see you later. Hello guys, so update yung pagkaon.
Okay, please, everyone, please proceed in the front.
Manamig kaon. O nya, sa package di ay naaday siya free drone shot sa inyong per booking. Unya na po'y free mermaid pero may nag-avail. Tuma na ako. Og manamig og kanang kaon sa picture taking na podli sila mama dito nang maligo. So, dali picture.
Naata sa
Ami sa Dako Island. Dako kay tungod. Dako siya na island. So, mura to. That's it. Guys, we are now heading to Luna balik na po. So, it's time check. It's already 2:30. So, around 3 in the morning. Yeah, mas-sleep namin. Ganda itong mga videos. Post. Para di ako makas. Awa mga kauban. May mga lahi. Oh my goodness. Oh, final time scene. So fine. Look.